You know it. You know it. You know.
Shalom, brothers and sisters. My name is Brian, and I use the animal-based diet to make sure my autoimmune conditions are in check. So you've decided to embark on an animal-based diet. Great choice, but before you dive in, let's talk about some of the common mistakes people make when transitioning to this lifestyle. Hi everyone, welcome to Be Like Christ. Today we are going to discuss 10 common mistakes to avoid an animal-based diet. Whether you're a seasoned carnivore or just starting out, these tips will help you optimize your health and well-being. And the number one mistake is overeating. One of the biggest mistakes people make on animal-based diets is overeating. Remember, quality does matter over quantity. Focus on nutrient-dense foods like grass-fed beef or wild-caught fish and organic eggs. Mistake number 2, neglecting fats. Fats are essential for your optimal health, especially on the animal-based diet. Don't be afraid to use healthy fats like saturated and monounsaturated fats from animal sources. The best ones are beef tallow or coconut oil. Mistake number 3. Many people choose the wrong choice of meat because red meat is the highest source. So it's important to focus on quality proteins. Red meat is the most nutrient dense over all the other meats. So be sure you focus on lamb, beef, or bison. Ignoring the organ meats, mistake number 4. Organ meats are packed with nutrients and should be a regular part of your diet. Liver, heart, and kidney are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Mistake number 5. Overlooking the micronutrients. While animal-based diets are naturally rich in many micronutrients, it's important to ensure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals, so consider supplementing with high quality multivitamins or targeted supplements for your electrolyte. Vitamin D with K2 iodine. Make sure you get quality organic from the Health Ranger store or the InfoWars store. Mistake number 3, not drinking enough water. Hydration is crucial for your overall health. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're consuming a lot of protein. Overcooking your meat is mistake number 7. Overcooking meat can destroy nutrients and create harmful compounds. Aim to cook your meat to medium rare or medium for optimal flavor and nutrition. And that mistake number 8, not focusing on bone broth. Bone broth is one of the nutrient-dense foods that can provide essential minerals and collagen. Incorporate bone broth into your diet regularly, and be sure and drink it twice a day. Mistake number 9, not listening to your body. Every individual's needs are different. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. If you're experiencing digestive issues or other symptoms, consult with a healthcare professional. Mistake number 10, not getting enough rest. Sleep is so important. Sleep is essential for your overall recovery. Make sure you get enough quality sleep each night. It's also best to make sure you get enough walk outside, at least somewhere between 11 a.m. and between to 1 p.m. That will help you able to make sure that you can, because then you also get outside and walk in nature. That helps you get better sleep as well, and make sure that you go to bed around the same time each night, within a half hour. Thank you. Remember, transitioning to an animal-based diet is a journey. By avoiding these common mistakes and focusing on high quality moderation, you can optimize your health and well-being. So if you have any questions or wish to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness content. Also, register for my free 90-day detox challenge at belikechrist.net. Bless everyone who watched today. Thank you.